Sure. I wanted to talk about your calls on some of these Chinese companies because, you know, we see intermittently these sort of implosions. Huishan Dairy was one of the most spectacular ones this year. You have these, you know, disappearing members of the board and all sorts of things happening on. There's discrepancies when it comes to their cash flow. I mean, is the Hong Kong market a bit special in the severity and, I guess, frequency of some of these, you know, governance issues that we see cropping up?
The short answer is yes. There are a number of companies listed in Hong Kong that we think are committing fraud, often combined with stock manipulations. And the manipulation is really a function of so many of these companies having such small public floats. And what is often really the case is that even if nominally the float is, say, 25%, probably the chairman, through proxies, controls another 10 to 15% of the float. So there's a lot of market cap notionally for short sellers to short, but the problem is when it's a manipulated stock, it can be pretty hard to wait for that stock to break.